Alright, if you have a 2020 Toyota Rav4 and you want to pull out your cabin filter and check it, it's going to be behind your glove box. Go ahead and open it up. You're going to need to disconnect this damper that you have on the side. All you have to do is pull it towards you. Now you need to get past these stoppers on your glove box. All you got to do is push inward and pull down a little bit. You got to do that on both sides, and the glove box will come down. Cabin filter is located in this compartment here. To get the door off here, all you gotta do is squeeze these two little guys right here and then pull towards you, and the door will actually come off towards you this way. Okay, cabin filter is located in this compartment here. Go ahead and pull this out. You are going to reuse the retainer that you have here, and you can just pull the filter out like this. Okay, this one is really new, so it's not getting changed today, but if you need one, there'll be a link down in the description box below. Just take note when you take your old one out that it says up, that you replace it just like you took it out. That's it.